now, last but not the least, on my we have this amazing guest. He's a multi-talented. He's a major. He has worked with the intelligence, the government, and now you run a big research center. So, Major General Tohid, how you would like to summarize your experience on the topic that's given, and also if you have few suggestions. I think that's what we need, because I think all of you are aware, all these students will be a member of the BDYS forum where all of you are advisor. So we have a long future. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. What I would like to talk is not for the respected guests here, is for the students. The youth speakers today, are you all here, all the six? I appreciate Sumaya, Salah, Muhammad, Tanima, Marzia, and Isra. Wonderful selection of your topics. Yet, I would make some critical observations so that you get seasoned to your understanding. You had wonderful topic brought out. The school curricula, the university facilities, school facilities, those are not up to the mark. Respected VC asked you, what is the solution? It's not the government. It's the university itself. It's the management itself. It's the school itself. It's the headmaster himself. It's all the teacher's responsibility to create that environment. Government, Honorable Prime Minister, whoever he or she is, cannot come and give you the environment to study. So there I have, with due respect, the point is we have to create the environment for the students to study in a comfortable environment, whatever it is. Okay, so I appreciate, but you have to go in depth to your subject. Whatever you are saying is not something innovative you are saying. Say something, speak to your heart. Speak from your heart, raise your voice. Whatever you said is there. If I give search, ChatGPT, Google search, everything there. So nothing you said innovative. With due respect, nothing you said innovative. Come out something, what you think that others couldn't think in that way. Think beyond your understanding. Go out of the box. You will find something innovative which will attract the mind of the respected VC, will say, come forward. Say what you want to know. So there has to be the respected VC wanted to know what is the solution, what is really innovative coming in your mind. So that was missing. You had wonderful things, but that was missing. The last speakers talked about SDG, and there was someone. At some point I used to work on, we used to say the concept was whole of government approach. Then we have shifted from whole of government approach to whole of societal approach. I used to work on disaster management issues. So initially our slogan had been whole of government approach. Then we found that the main responders are missing. In my program on DRI, I could get the university teachers, college teachers, school teachers in our program. Then the military guys from different other countries, they're saying, why the professors and teachers are here? Yes, they are the responders. And so it is a whole of society approach. So my point to the youth, youngsters here, you are the future, we are not. So I would like to just touch the points where you have to think. Don't think left and right. It's not going to give you the solution. You are thinking at strategic level, operational level, tactical level. It's not bringing you solution. So determine where you are working. There are two things, micro level, macro level. What you want to point related to micro level, find out. What you want to point related to macro level, find out. Do not mix up. Then that solution cannot make sense. Secondly, we talked about something. End of the day, we have to do some kind of research. The professor said here, you need to spend time on research and development. Just by buying things, copy and paste cannot solve you. I have a friend, good friend in India who is a scientist. He said, I hate people, what he's saying already invented. I want to hear something which is not. He should come with a problem with a very weird solution. Okay. So there are two worlds now, physical world and virtual world. Look both from a different lens. Try to make a balance. Don't try to be only smart in virtual world. Don't try to be only smart in physical world. What is missing? Whatever I'm saying, these are all hypothetical things. If I cannot connect it with our real requirement of the reality, my all this saying is useless. I have to connect it. So try to connect the dots. What you learn in your school, university, try to make a sense, bringing it to the reality, what is needed on ground. Then you can connect your understanding to the reality. We say knowledge is power, experience, and the professor here, he is the combination of knowledge and experience. So he's talking with wisdom. So you have to reach to a point to talk with wisdom. So there, if you cannot connect your practical understanding with your theoretical understanding, you cannot be innovative ever. Whatever you say, this is the era of what? We say this is the digital age, this is the
Yes.
era of what? Technology?
Technology.
No. This is
AI,
the era,
artificial intelligence.
this is the era of networking. It's no more era of technology, it's no more era of ideas. This is the era of networking. How? Everybody comes with different ideas, but he doesn't have the solution. So this is no more the era of ideas. This is the era of networking. You have to connect. Who understand what? There comes professional, non-professional, academy, all has to come onto the same platform. I have friends, professor, who goes to different part of the world and talk. Today I say, I need a robot related to firefighting. And his professor, that professor, he has his student, they're working in Boston, they cannot find out, they cannot meet the requirement. But theoretically, they're absolutely thorough. So that we have to connect. Okay. So last but not the least, identify the gaps. The subject you are looking for, identify the gaps. Try to connect it. Try to be the leader to lead from the front. Ask yourself, we talked about health. To my understanding, there are three health. Mental health, physical health, psychological health. This is something totally different, huh? Social health. Right, sir? Social health. So there are different kind of health. So prepare yourself. Today I came here, yet I had a homework. I studied something. What is going to happen today? Never get caught unprepared. Prepare yourself and take care of your mental health, social health. By your point, mental health, social health, physical health. And the last but not the least, psychological health. That was missing. And that we identified during the period of COVID. Psychological health is totally different than that of your mental health. So there we have to work. And you yourself prepare yourself. And who is your mentor? Your mentor is your parents, your school teacher. After the class, go to him. Your professor, go to him. You don't go and talk to them. Tell me who all had here in this room had a chance to talk to the VC for a minute. Who all tried? I appreciate it. So thank you very much. I took much time.
No,
and
but
I wish you all the best and look forward
round
to
of
all
applause.
the-
A round of applause
Thank you.
for what an amazing, inspiring speech, not just for them, for all of us.